Hey guys, how's it going? This is going to be a really quick video, just basically reviewing the transformations of functions. So what a function does when it moves, how does it move? So that's going to be the standard we're looking at today. Do remember that you have a standards checkpoint in USA Test Prep, standards checkpoint 3 that does need to be done. So let's go ahead and take a look. It says consider the function f of x below. This is the parent function. So the parent function, remember, is always our original function, the one we're starting out with. So part A says the graph of a transformation of the function f of x is shown. Which expression defines the transformation? So if we look here, I want you to go ahead and just pause. Take a look at this vertex. What is happening with that vertex? All right, so take a moment to just pause, check out these different expressions. Which one is going to define that movement? So the movement that's happening is it is shifting down one position. So when we're looking at vertex form, y equals x minus h squared plus k, this k value is what shifts the graph up or down. So the correct answer would be A, because what is occurring is that graph is shifting down 1. It is shifting down 1. All right, so considering that same parent function, what's happening here? So take a look at this vertex. Take a look at what's going on here. So look at your intercept. Look at your intercepts. What has changed? All right, so go ahead and take a moment to pause. Check out these expressions below. Which one's going to define this graph? So what's happening is this graph, if you look very carefully, this graph is getting more narrow. What that means is it is reaching higher faster. It is going up at a faster rate. So the intercept here was at 1. The intercept here is at 2. So what that tells me is that B is going to be my answer. This A value of 2, is actually going to increase all of those points by a function of, or by a factor, I should say, by a factor of 2. All right, and the last transformation that we're going to look at is, well, what is happening now? So now here's our vertex of our parent function. Now here's our vertex of our new function. So what transformation has occurred? Go ahead and take a look at these expressions. All right, so the transformation that's occurred is it's actually moved 2 places to the left. So thinking back to that vertex form, h is the value that moves us either left or right. But remember, we have to think opposite sign. So if we're moving 2 to the left, instead of that being a -2, our h value is going to be a +2. So D would be our correct answer. Okay, guys, this was just a quick review of transformations of a function. What I would love for you guys to do is, even before you do that standards checkpoint, make sure you go into USA Test Prep, click Other Tests, click Algebra 1 EOC, drop down, and you need to find the standard called FBF.2.3. Practice that standard. Take that standards checkpoint, and we will see you soon. Have a great day. Goodbye.